How to transfer contacts to Galaxy S24, moving contacts from an old phone, SIM card, or cloud service. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here tap on contacts. Next, tap on the menu button, then tap on the manage contacts. Next, tap on import contacts, and then choose your source. You can import it from your phone or from a cloud storage, or you can import it from the SIM card. So here I'm going to choose phone or cloud storage, and then that file can be stored in internal storage from OneDrive. So if you have export your contacts from old phone to OneDrive or to Google Drive, you can select that source. Here I'm going to select internal storage as an example, and then I tap on the folder where it has the contact files. So in here I have contacts VCF, so I tap on that, then tap on done. Next, you can choose where to import the contacts to. So it can be to an account such as Samsung account, to Google account, or to your phone local storage. So if I choose phone and then tap on import, that will allow me to import the contacts to my local storage. Now tap on the OK button to finish. So again, if I tap on import and then tap on physical SIM, physical one, these are contacts stored on a SIM card. I can select all, or I can select certain contacts that I want to import over, then tap on done. And that's it. So we can now select an account to import it to. I can import it to the Samsung account and then tap on import. So as you can see, we can import contacts from a phone, from a SIM card, or from a cloud storage. Now, if you have another mobile device, what you can do is you can open up the contacts app, and in contacts, you tap on manage contacts and then tap on export contacts. In here, you want to tap on all contacts and select all the contacts. Here, you can choose where to export the file, so we can export it to internal storage or a physical SIM. So if you go on to choose internal storage, tap on that, then tap on export. You can see here it will give you the name of the files that has been exported to. Once you got that file, you can then email it to yourself. You can transfer it through online storage, through the cloud services, or you can do a Wi-Fi direct transfer, so you can transfer or do a quick sharing from your old phone over to your new phone. Once you have that, you can then import it back into your device. If you are using Smart Switch, you can also use a Smart Switch application from Samsung to import contacts as well. So that is another solution that you can use to import contacts onto your device. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.